Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to control your Amazon Firestick with your TV remote. Now in your TV settings, you might have something called HDMI CEC. Could be under system, could be under display. Make sure that setting is turned on. And sometimes you have to go to the correct HDMI CEC input. Most of the time you don't have to on your brand of TV. But on your Firestick, just go on over to settings here. Scroll on down to where it says display and sound. Scroll on down under here. And make sure this option is turned on, HDMI CEC. Control HDMI CEC devices, capable of devices using your TV remote, including playback, navigation, powering on and off. So you can essentially, when you have both these on your TV and on your Amazon Fire Stick, you can just control it with your TV remote. You don't even need the Amazon Fire Stick remote. So if you lose this, you can just use your TV remote. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.